Today, not very much, which is great news. We'll take it for what we have right now. But I do want to talk about what we've seen so far for the month. Very interesting because we had our very first above average day yesterday. 98 degrees is what we ranked as far as our temperature. At 98, if we were to move that today, we'd be in a gray box because now that average temperature has ticked up by 1 degree. So Tuesday, our average temperature was still 97. We went 1 degree above that. Today, we should hit around 98 degrees, which would then make it a gray box day. But tomorrow is the day that I'm a little more worried about because it looks like we could actually move into triple-digit territory. Current temperatures right now, 87 degrees in Austin, 85 in Dripping Springs, 83 out towards Fredericksburg, San Marcos at around 89 degrees, and Giddings at around 87 degrees. Clouds and radar at this point still seeing mostly clear skies within the central portion of Austin. A bit of cloud coverage as you get out towards Mason, that's thanks to some of the moisture that's been flowing in from around Del Rio. And then when we get out towards Fayette and Lee counties, we have a few clouds out there as we have some of that moisture coming in from the Gulf, giving us some cloud coverage there as well. But overall, I don't expect to see any rainfall today or tomorrow, really. So let's play this out. We'll play this through Wednesday into Thursday. Same thing that we're going to see tomorrow that we saw today. Start off with some cloud coverage early in the day. Get out towards the afternoon. We're looking at mostly clear skies. Play it out towards Friday. That's where we're going to see a bit of a change here because Friday we have some tropical moisture that'll flow back in. I know that's a little scary when we hear that word, but that's okay. There's another system that's going to be in the Gulf that I don't anticipate to form whatsoever, but that'll at least give us some showers as we get out towards Friday and into Saturday. Friday, not so much, only giving it about a 10% chance of rain. And as we get into Saturday, that rain chance starts to increase. So we'll see a dip in temperatures because of that. Even though we're going to hit possibly 100 degrees for Thursday, by the time we get to Saturday, we're looking at about 93 degrees. And then we'll slowly start to creep back up as those rain chances and those cloud coverage goes. Here's the thing about tomorrow, though. Even though we're expected to hit 100, that heat index, or that feels like value, is going to be well above that, from 100 to 105 degrees as a possibility. And even as we look past that into your 8 to 14-day temperature outlook, our high temperature average will start to move up to 99 degrees, and we're looking at hotter than normal. So I expect that August will be more on the red side than on the blue side, like what we saw with July. So we see that tropical moisture that'll flow back in, as I mentioned before. For Saturday, that's going to be your best chance of seeing a few showers out there. So Saturday will bump up those rain chances to 30%. In fact, this is what it looks like when we put it all together with your 7-day forecast. 98 today, 100 for tomorrow, 98 for Friday. By Saturday, we're looking at 93 degrees with 30% chance of rain, and then we'll see the inverse one more time. Rain chances down by Monday and temperatures back up into the upper 90s.